Hello everyone, welcome to day 21 of daily Leetcode challenge. Today we are going to solve the question count subarrays where maximum elements appears at least k times. So in this question you are given an integer array nums and a positive integer k. Return the number of subarrays where the maximum element of nums appear at least k times in that subarray. A subarray is contiguous sequence of elements within an array. So basically we have given an integer array nums in which we have to find the count of subarrays in which the maximum element of that subarray, sorry, maximum element of nums appears at least k times, means k or more than k times. So let's see the example one. In example one we can see the array is 1 3 2 3 3 and k is 2. The maximum element of nums is 3. So we can see there are six the total subarrays in which the 3 appears more than uh, equal to 2 or more than 2 times in the subarray. These are the subarrays that are given 1 3 2 3 and all of that. So this question can be simply solved in off and time complexity by the two pointers technique, or which you also call sliding window technique. So this is the code that I have written. Uh, code. So first I have declared mx to calculate the maximum element of subarray. Then I am traversing in the loop and calculating the maximum element of subarray. Sorry, whole array. This loop, in mx I will get the maximum element uh, uh, of this nums array. Then I have declared variables max count, which will uh, store the uh, count of maximum element in the current subarray. Then I have declared two pointers I equal to 0, j equal to 0, which are currently at the starting of array. Then I have also stored a count variable which will uh, store the our answer count of total subarray. Here I am traversing a loop and I less than while I less than number size, and at every index I am checking if this element is equal to our maximum element. Then we will increase our uh, count of maximum element mxct plus plus, and then I am in this loop I am also checking a loop. Mm, if the maximum count of element the count of maximum element is greater than k, then what we are doing is we are maintaining the count of maximum element equal to k, uh, because in a subarray if the count is equal to k, count of maximum element equal to k, then all the subarrays behind that subarray will have count equal to k or greater than k. So I am doing the same. If nums j is equal to max, I am decreasing the count and doing j plus plus. And uh, and here what I am doing is I am placing my jth index to the element which is equal to the maximum element, because all the elements behind it are of no use. So after uh, this loop, if our count in our subarray of maximum element is equal to k, then answer will be equal to j plus 1. J plus 1 because all the elements, if we take, then count will be equal to k or greater than k. Then so we have to include all the subarrays behind that subarrays. So in each iteration, let's say we are at ith index and jth index, then if then we are counting the subarrays which are ending at ith index, so we have to include j plus 1, because from 0 up to the jth index all the elements we have to count. So that's why we are including it in our answer and then doing I plus plus. After this loop we will get our answer in city, and we simply return city. uh, I have done. So let's run and submit.